Hello everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Aegle level, otherwise known as level number 17, from the Hades CTF labs from HackMyVM.eu. So for each one of these levels, what we need to do is we need to take a look at the mission file to understand what we're trying to do here. Okay, so in mission number 17, it says the user Calliope likes to have her things looked at. The user Calliope likes to have her things looked at. So what does that really mean? If we take a look at the sudo permissions for this particular user, it says our user, the Aegle user, may run the following commands on Hades. So as Calliope with no password, we can run bin cat. So I mean, cat is a very, very basic Linux binary. And if we're able to run it as another user, that means we could read their files. But there are some caveats here. So if we take a look at what files are actually in here, we see that there's a Calliope password file. So calliopepass.txt. And you would think that we could read this file using sudo as the Calliope user with bin cat. So if we try it out, so sudo u bin, well, so sorry, sudo u Calliope bin cat, and then Calliope pass.txt. So you'd think that we would be able to read this file since it's in the Calliope group, but it's actually owned by the root user. So if we run this file, we get permission denied. So we're not actually able to read the file. The reason why we can't read the Calliope file here is that when we run sudo as Calliope, we're not allowed to read files inside of this directory, which is owned by the Aegle user. So this is the Aegle user. If we become Calliope and try to read this file, we can't read it. So what can we do instead? So let's talk about this. Okay, so in Hades level number 17, so Hades level 17, we're the Aegle user using sudo cat. So this is basically privileged file read. So in this level, we're given privileged file read with the cat command. As the Calliope user, we want to become the Calliope user to get to the next level. So we might try to read the password file in Aegle's home directory, but this doesn't work because Calliope doesn't have permissions to read files in Aegle's home directory. So it's a bit of a, you need to wrap your head around what happens when you run the sudo command and where the file is that we're trying to read. Okay, so instead we can think of this as if it were an LFI vulnerability, searching for sensitive files in our target user's home directory, like bash history or SSH private keys. So if you've got privileged file read and you're doing like a CTF box challenge, one of the things you could do is you could look for SSH private keys or bash history. So in this case, it makes more sense that we're able to read this if we're using the cat command with sudo. Okay, let's go back in here. So with the command here, we can read other files inside of Calliope's home directory. So in this case, it's pwned Calliope. So we can try reading the .pash history file or other common files that might be in here. So it says no such file or directory, that doesn't exist. But of course, in this case, we're able to read SSH private keys. So the typical path would be home username.ssh and then ID RSA. It could be like a couple of other file names as well for SSH private keys. But we're able to read the key. So if we're able to read the key, we can get access by trying to log in with the contents of this particular SSH private key. What we need to do is we need to copy it, then move over to another window and create the file on our own machine here. So use nano, create ID RSA, paste in the contents of the SSH private key, save it, and then adjust the file permissions. Because we can't use an SSH private key with loose permissions, so we see that groups have read and write and everybody has read, we need to modify this. So we do chmod 600, which means that the file owner has read and write, but everybody else has no permissions. So we'll call this IDRSA, and then we can try to log in as the Calliope user. So it's SSH Calliope, and specify the key with the -i argument here. So -i rd RSA. And now we have access as the Calliope user. So who am I? We're Calliope. And that's the end of the level. Okay, everybody, this was a guided walkthrough for the Aegle level, otherwise known as level number 17 from the Hades CTF game over at HackMyVM.eu. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.